We've created Toddle, a skincare line which is eco and vegan and really good for sensitive skin. And then we launched on Amazon pre-pandemic, March 2020. Amazon Launchpad has seen us have 300% year-on-year growth on revenue. We've started to really scale and grow. It means we can employ more people. We're up to 7 people now. We're moving into bigger premises. We've got more products coming out directly as a consequence of the growth that we've seen on Amazon. Our plans for the future at Toddle are to launch into the USA, so Amazon.com, and through our own website in Q4 this year. We're also launching into Amazon Pan-EU, that's in Q4 as well, so a lot of growth coming from retail and export. My advice for dealing with Amazon, if you're a new brand, is to sign up to Launchpad, look on the portal and go through it really systematically because there's a lot of information. There are so many benefits being part of Amazon Launchpad. We've used translation services to export into Germany. We've used the A+ content on the brand store and they'll make A+ content for you on all of your different product ASINs. We've used the advertising help, we've used the free deals. There's a raft of benefits, and even more that I've not mentioned.